What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for MicroStrategy Incorporated with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So we're going to do another MicroStrategy update. I'm trying to do these every day because it's a very popular request, and I do like the company myself. If you guys are interested in personal chart requests, make sure you guys leave a donation, link in the video description below, or you can join my membership where you can get up to every Thursday. You can ask for a personal chart request and also ask a bunch of questions in the Discord channel that's privately run. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys look in the video description below as well. So let's take a look at MicroStrategy today. Since last week Friday, you can see that price has dropped down and is looking kind of bearish. Price is closing near the lows of the day, so this tells me, the momentum is still strong and we could see follow through towards the downside. Price is currently right on this trend line right here, this bullish trend line. You can adjust it just slightly, and we are right at it. So if this trend line breaks, that shows loss of momentum by the bulls, and we could see another move down towards that, like I said before, the 178, 180 level. That's where the breakout level was, and a lot of times price action likes to test levels multiple times. So it tested at this level for resistance multiple times. It could be testing this level for support multiple times before continuing the uptrend. Because overall, it's still making macro higher highs and higher lows, but in the meantime, it's making lower lows and lower highs in the very short term. So if you go on a smaller time frame, you're going to see the lower lows and lower highs more clearer. So let's go and zoom in on a 15-minute chart, and you see that on a 15-minute chart, price is making lower lows, lower highs, and it closed right at the lows of the downtrend. So we could see a little bounce up tomorrow, maybe back up to the 240 level. I don't know if it'll get that high, but it can, and then we could still see more downside in the short term after that. So we'll see what happens, but it could see a bounce very soon. I'm not saying it won't, but I'm looking for more downside. Why? Because price reached the measure target, which can be a temporary top. A lot of profit taking occurs at these levels, and price is also respecting this channel pattern, and it looks like price just got rejected from the highs of the channel, and it's slowly working its way to the opposite side. It's attempting to reach the opposite side. Keywords attempt, not guarantee. It's attempting to reach the opposite side, and it's going to try a couple of attempts. So this is the first attempt. So if we see a big bounce, there's a good chance we will still see another attempt. And if that one falls short, that's bullish, right? Because price cannot reach what it was trying to do, because the bulls are pretty aggressive. They're not letting the bears get down that low. So we'll see what happens to MicroStrategy. But as right now, there is that short-term downtrend in play. You can draw it by a little downward trend line, and looks like price is going to be breaking one of these trend lines soon. Is it going to be the downtrend one, or is it going to be the uptrend one? But overall, looks like it was a bearish day, and expectation is still more downside as of right now. So that's how I'm looking at MicroStrategy on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, and you definitely see that price was overextended from that EMA. Looks like it's coming back to it, which is currently at the 174 level. And whenever price gets overextended from EMA, just like not too long ago, back here in May and April, price comes back to it. So it looks like it's coming right back to the EMA, which acts kind of like a rubber band effect for prices. So it looks like it's snapping back towards that average. So it looks like it was a little bit overextended, stretched too far. Now it's coming back to a normal level. So looking for more downside for MSTR as of right now. So all I have for MSTR on the daily weekly charts. Make sure you leave it, guys, a comment down below if you have any more questions or comments or concerns. Please give the video a like if you found any value in this. And most likely I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.